Hi guys, I'm Lucky. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Today we're gonna draw cake. Cake is made of sweet cream and soft bread. How many cakes would you like to draw? 1, 2, 3. One cake turn into 3 cake. It's like magic. When you open up the paper, some cakes show up. Let's try. You need some supplies, a marker, a paper, and something to color with. Alright. You ready to start? Let's get the ball rolling. We're gonna fold it paper first. We tried that last video. Fold it half. Turn around the paper like this. And this side, fold it again. That's it. We're done. No sweat. Let's draw. I'm gonna use this pen. I'll draw the first cake. I'm gonna draw my first cake here. Draw square shape and then draw wavy line. It's a melting cream. You can decorate your cake like this. I drew 7 candles because I'll paint this a rainbow color. I decorate with heart balloon. Put something whatever you want. And it's time to draw cute cake face. It can be happy, it can be pretty. Your face, your mom and your daddy face. You can try different face as you want. Look at this. This cake is sticking out her tongue. Now open up the paper. We're gonna draw big cakes. We draw same face that we draw. And then make 4 cakes. Make your cute cake face that you like to draw. Make it another one. This ice cream looks excited. put some sprinkles for decoration. All done. Alright, let's paint. I paint these Alice's with sky blue because this cake is angel in the sky. And I paint rainbow color this candle. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite flavor? You can choose any color you like. You can make red cake, yellow cake, green cake, whatever you want. My ice cream is just chiffon cake. So I paint with yellow. And cream color is white, so I don't need to paint this part. Leave it. Maybe you need fire at your birthday. Finish? Take a look. One, two, three. There you go. One cake turned into 4 cakes. Subscribe my YouTube channel and put that like button please. Have a nice day. Bye.